other person's name is Mr. Right. Mr. Right. So Mr. Left lived in a house over here. And Mr. Right lived in a house over here. Okay? And they were both very good friends. They were both. So one day, Mr. Left wanted to meet Mr. Right. Okay? And Mr. Left said, I will now today wake up, get ready, open the house door, get out of the house door, close the house door and go to see Mr. Left. Will you do it with me? Open the door, get out of the door, close the door. And then Mr. Left went up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, and he reached Mr. Right's house. He said, now let me check if Mr. Right is at home. And what did he do on the door? He said, knock, knock, knock. Mr. Right, are you home? What did he say? Mr. Right, are you home? Nobody answered the door. He said, knock, 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 knock. Mr. Right, are you home? No answer. He said, my friend Mr. Right is not at home. Let me go back home. So he went up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, opened the door, went inside, closed the door, and he went to sleep. Next day morning, Mr. Right said, I want to go and see my friend Mr. Left. He woke up, he got ready, opened the door, came outside, closed the door, and then he went up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, and what did he do? Mr. Left, are you home? But no answer. Again he knocked. Knock, 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 knock. Mr. Left, are you home? But so he said, I'll go back to my home. So what did he do? Up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, open the door, went inside, closed the door and went to sleep. Next day, both Mr. Left and Mr. Right said, I will go and see my friend. So they both got up, got ready, opened the door, came outside, closed the door. They went up the hill, down the hill, up the hill and up the hill. They met each other and they were so happy. They hugged each other and said, I am so happy to see my friend. And full day they played with each other. They spoke so much and it became evening. And the sun started going down and they said, oh, it's time for me to go home now. Mr. Left, I had so much fun. Mr. Right, I had so much fun. And they said, bye. And then they went down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, opened the door, went inside, closed the door, and went to sleep. Did you like the story? Will you do this again tomorrow? So show me your left side. This is your left side. Show me your right side. Your right side.